Pretty neat graphic, huh? I'd like to welcome you to the very first video for the brand new Tucson Functional Medicine YouTube channel. My first request, patience. I am brand new to the social media arena, I guess, and are we going to make mistakes? You bet. Are we going to have bad lighting and bad sound? You bet. So I'm brand new at this. I will learn quickly, but give me some grace and mercy at the beginning of this. Understand that this is brand new. I have a completely new respect for people that put social media stuff together. I've used social media. You push a button and everything works perfectly, but I never had any concept of how much stuff is going on behind the scenes to make that happen. So it's much more complicated than I realized, like most things in life. So let's talk about the changes for 2017 for our clinic. We changed the name of our clinic. We're no longer the Neuropathy Treatment Centers of Tucson. We are now Tucson Functional Medicine Clinic. The hours of the clinic have changed. We're now open from 8 to 4, Monday through Thursday. The location of the clinic is still the same. We're still at 3801 North Campbell. Suite D is in David. Our old website is still there, drtrentfreeman.com. All the links will be underneath the video in the information about the video. We have a new website that is tucsonfunctionalmedicine.com. That one's not up and running yet. It is, if you go there, it says under construction. So over the next few weeks, that will be up and running. If you have any suggestions for topics that you would like us to cover from a functional medicine perspective, put it in the comments below. We want this to be about you, and we want this to be covering topics that you're interested in. So if you have any topics, please put them down there. Let's talk about the certification. There are 3 certified doctors in Tucson that actually went to a certification program to get certified in functional medicine. There's going to be a lot of people that say that they practice functional medicine, and your very first question should be, where did you get your certification? There is the Functional Medicine University. I went there, and one of the other guys here in Tucson went there. And then there is the Institute of Functional Medicine, and that's where the other guy went. So the 3 certified doctors in Tucson, those are the schools. So anybody who tells you they practice functional medicine, your first question should be, and where did you get your functional medicine training? Where were you certified at? Let's talk about what we treat. We're always going to treat neuropathy and restless leg. We've been treating those for many years. We're very good at it. We treat the cause of the problem, not the symptoms of the problem. So we're always going to treat that. But we're expanding what we're treating. So we're going to treat digestion. So we're talking about GERD, the reflux. We're talking about Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, diverticulitis, IBD, irritable bowel disease, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut. Leaky gut is truly changing a lot of our understanding about medicine, and it was finally proven to exist in the year 2000. So this was relatively new, very new in the medical world. So, but they're having success with inflammation by treating the gut and things like this. So leaky gut. It's also called hyperpermeability intestinal syndrome. Leaky gut is much easier to say, so that's what we're going to call it here. We're also going to treat thyroid. So we're talking about hyper, Hashimoto's disease, Graves' disease. A lot of new information about thyroid. Things that we were taught in school to never do are now being done quite successfully. Adrenal. So we're talking about adrenal fatigue, adrenal exhaustion, Cushing's, Addison's disease, things like that. We're also going to have a detoxification program. We're going to detox not only through the digestive tract, but only 7% of the body's toxins come out through the digestive tract, through urination or defecation. So we do that, but we also use an FDA-approved detox machine that actually uses through the skin. And that's FDA approved. We also are going to work on diet and nutrition for people that are interested in having help with that. I am a master certified practitioner of NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. So that is something we will be adding. One of my doctorates is in chiropractic, so we will also be offering chiropractic through our clinic now. So We give seminars all over Tucson. We have a couple of seminars down in Green Valley, but mostly around Tucson. They're all free. But we've added a new one this year, and that's the natural grocers. There are 4 natural grocers around Tucson. If you go to naturalgrocers.com and pick the one that's the closest to where you live, and it'll go in and it'll list the seminars. We're every Tuesday night between the hours of 6:30 and 7:30 in the evening. And this month, which is February right now, we're teaching on digestion. So all of our seminars are in digestion. So if you missed last night's, they'll have one next month or next week, and then the week after that, and then the week after that. So we're going to be there every month for a while anyway, and they're all free. There's no cost to them. They're PowerPoint presentations, very informational, trying to help people understand their health better. We also are going to build an email. We have about 1,200 people on our email list now. So if you came in here in the past, if you have an email address or you gave us an email address, you will start getting emails, and we're going to start sending emails out about the talks and where they are and what the topic is. And we're also going to have a series of emails on functional medicine and how does functional medicine treat this or that, things like that. So we're also going to have a newsletter once a month. And like any email, you can opt out if you don't like me or don't like the topics or whatever. So that look for those. If we don't have your email address and you would like to be on our email address, in the information underneath here, we will also have my email address, and you can send me your email to my email, and we'll get you on our list. We're also going to have a Facebook page, a fan page. It's not built yet, but it will be within the next couple, 3 weeks. Let's talk about what we're going to, the very next movie we're going to do. The next movie that we're going to do on this YouTube channel will be about sciatica. I used to have a horrible sciatica problem, and many, many years ago I was taught a stretch. I'm pretty faithful with that stretch, so I always hate to say this because I'm sure I'll have sciatica tomorrow, but I haven't had sciatica in many, many years. So again, thank you for your patience as we get this up and running. Subscribe, send these videos to people, that it would help and stuff like that. The more people who understand more about their health, the healthier we're going to be as a nation. Nobody can make you healthy. You have to make yourself healthy. And I'm more than willing to form a partnership with you and walk the journey of health with you, but I can't do it for you. And so it's about a partnership. Functional medicine is patient-centered care, not disease-centered care. We spend time with our patients, and we build a relationship, and the patient defines success for us. You're not here for my definition of success. You're here for your definition of success. And if you tell me what success is, we can attain that, or at least work at attaining that with you. So again, welcome to the very first video of Tucson Functional Medicine. I look forward to hearing from you, and watch this channel. Subscribe so you get updates on when we put this up, but watch this channel because it'll be a very health-oriented channel that'll help you. So I look forward to talking to you and seeing you.